Welcome to our English classes. Children, yesterday I had started the literature portion, and in literature I started the poem Adventures of Isabel. I think most of you had enjoyed and are enjoying, and really you are going to enjoy this poem. A very comic, interesting poem with full of comic and humor. So children, yesterday I told you that how this girl named Isabel, she was so courageous, so brave that instead of being afraid of the bear, she ate the bear. Got it? So she is such a brave girl. Nobody know she's neither frightened of any of these unusual things or things which are looking also dangerous and are dangerous, but she is not frightened, and she is overcoming all these people and just facing them with just great courage. So very interesting poem, children. Now today I am going to tell you that carry on the poem that after she met the bear, what then again she met with whom? Isabel met a wicked old witch. All of you know witch? Very good. The witch's face was cross and wrinkled. Cross, pata hai na? Cross is angry, and wrinkled, you have seen some two old people having wrinkles on their faces. So the face was like that only. With the witch's gums with teeth were sprinkled everywhere. The dirty, filthy face inside the teeth and gums, everything was in a very, what today as the witch look like, a dirty witch look like, it was looking the same manner. Ho ho, Isabel, the old witch crowd means like a crow नहीं आवाज जैसे निकालता है, a kind of a very pitching a voice, that is called crowed. I'll turn you into an ugly toad. What did the witch say? The witch said, listen Isabel, I am going to turn you into an ugly toad. What is a toad? Toad is a kind of a frog, category of a frog. So clear. Now Isabel didn't worry. Again children, Isabel didn't worry, because she was a brave girl. She never she was in any panic condition. She was always very cool and didn't worry anything. She was just facing all these obstacles and enjoying also. Isabel didn't scream or scream. Neither she screamed nor she was afraid. She was really enjoying everything. She showed no rage. Rage means बिल्कुल anger तो था ही नहीं उसमें. She was so brave. She was just going everything very cool and calm, and she showed no rancor, no disturbance. Now everything was going in a very cool, smooth manner. But she turned the witch. क्या किया उसने? She was not afraid of the witch. She turned the witch into milk and drank her. उसको मिल्क बना के खुद ही पी गई. Wow, क्या great लड़की, really. Isabel met a hideous giant. Hideous क्या होता है बेटा? Very ugly, huge giant. Giant पता ना? Huge, gigantic personality, उसको giant. Isabel continued self-reliant, very self-reliant. No, एकदम same manner में, very cool and calm. एकदम बिल्कुल self-centered, very cool, not afraid, not worrying, facing everything. The giant was hairy. Hairy means the giant, it had too many big hairs on the body. The giant was horrid, very horrid, looking very ugly, horrified, and appearance was too much like a horror way, in a very dangerous person. He had one eye. Where? One eye in the middle of his forehead. The giant, as it is big, huge, gigantic, it had hair also on the body. It was looking horrified also, and ugly also, huge also, and on its forehead it had one eye. So कैसा दिखता होगा? Good morning, Isabel, the giant said. What did the giant say? Good morning, Isabel. I'll grind your bones to make my bread. Isabel से क्या बोला उसने? He said, listen Isabel, You are thinking that you are very smart. I am going to grind your bones to make my bread. Bread means breads. He will eat. So Isabel didn't worry. What happened by Isabel? Isabel didn't worry. Isabel didn't scream or scary. She was not afraid. She didn't said anything. I mean, didn't said कैसे? She was not afraid ना. तो why will she be afraid? She was not afraid. She nibbled the zubek that she always fed off. Now, children, what is a zubek? A very new word for you. A zubek is, children, a toasted crisp bread. What did the giant told that the giant will what do? He is going to grind his bones and make the bread. And she nibbled the zubek, the bread that she always fed off. She herself made the bread of that whom the giant, and when it was gone, she cut off the giant's head off. So, children, till here you have understood that she met with a witch and a giant, and how, I mean, such a very interesting and very cool manner she just faced everything. And so, children, I think this much is clear to you. I will carry on the chapter tomorrow, children, the poem for you. And children, as it is the written work for you is to write the word meanings, children. So many of you are having, as most of the children are having or not having, but I've made written word meaning for you, that is in the book also, and I've written this for you also, children. All these words to know को पता है ना कि word meaning को we say words to know also. So these 11 word meanings are on this page. So again, children, you are going to do this word meaning in your fair copy. I think every day I'm not going to tell you how to do. You know very well how to write these words or whatever written work I'm giving you to do neatly in your copy. Is it clear, children? So I think you have understood. But again, children, if you're having any queries, you can ask me and I'm there to solve all your problems. So thank you, children.